mining. VolcMiner is launching a Blockbuster event. Anyone who purchases the VolcMiner Mini model on the official VolcMiner website using my exclusive discount code will instantly save $100. But that's not the point. Every customer who buys through this special link will also qualify for the VolcMiners giveaway with a massive grand prize of $10,000 for the first winner. No tricks, no gimmicks. First come, first serve. Come now and get my discount code. What do you think is the most important thing for a home miner for home miners? Is the quietness or the room temperature affection? I don't know if you guys still remember this miner called VolcMiner D1 Mini. Very excellent miner for home miners, mining Dogecoins and Litecoins using Scrypt algorithm, and it comes in the hash rate with 2.2 gig hash at a power consumption of 500 watts. Pretty efficient, pretty looking as well. Very quiet. You can barely hear a thing out of it, and very like low temperature. There's even no temperature affection. But there are still people saying this kind of good machine, why it doesn't support wireless mining? Why? I want to know why. So today I represent you VolcMiner D1 Mini Pre Wi-Fi version. And you might ask, what's the difference between VolcMiner D1 Mini Pre and the VolcMiner D1 Mini Pre Wi-Fi version? Absolutely no difference. Yes, it's just with an extra Wi-Fi receiver. And it's even the same efficiency, which is 2.2 gigahash at the power consumption of 500 watts using Scrypt algorithm mining Dogecoins and Litecoins. And you know, the D1 Mini Pre, which without the Wi-Fi version, it was released on January 2025. So this one is the world's first VolcMiner D1 Mini Wi-Fi version. But it's still a very excellent home miner for home miners. And for those people who didn't buy the VolcMiner D1 Mini because of it wasn't supporting wireless mining, right now you have one. So here is the appearance of the VolcMiner D1 Mini Wi-Fi version, and it put on an extra Wi-Fi receiver, which is right here, and here's the front, right? And there's two fans on the front right here, and on the bottom there's a switch power button, and here beside it is the power supply port, and above them here is the IP reporter, and there's all those are LED lights, and here above the LED lights is the reset button. So this is quite important. So if you failed at setting up, you can just press on this reset button for like 10 seconds. So here is the front side, and on the side you have the VolcMiner's logo, very good looking volcano, and on the back you can see is the exhaust vent. Alright guys, and this part will be a setup tutorial of this VolcMiner D1 Mini Pre Wi-Fi version. And if you guys don't know how to set up the D1 Mini Pre, even the Ethernet version, you can also check out my previous video in my channel. So of this Wi-Fi version is more straightforward. You can be done of all those things by your mobile phone. Okay, so when you receive the package, it will be there's this thing will be in the package, which is the Wi-Fi signal booster. So if you want your Wi-Fi signal be more stable, you might want to install this before you setting up. Okay, and then what you need to do is to put in the power cable like this and push the switch button. And then what you need to do is put out your phone and go to setting and go to Wi-Fi, and you will see this signal called Volc, something like that, you know, so Volc blah blah blah, and then click it. Now it brings you to this page, which is the back end of this unit, and on the top left, press the top left, and you can see there's, oh sorry, it's in Chinese. At first we need to find the network, and you need to manually put in your Wi-Fi name and the password. Click save, all right, and then go back and go to the pool setting. You need to put in your pool address, your wallet address, you know, and the password. Like there's pool 1, pool 2. You can just fill in one, or you can fill in both of it, you know, and with like different pool addresses. And if you guys don't know any pool address, I can send you one. Just let me know in the comment. Anyway, after you've done all that, just click save again and wait about 1 or 2 minutes and you will be start running. And all you need to do is just go back to the dashboard, and if as soon as you see there is like current hash rate and power consumption and all that, means you are mining Dogecoins. See, it's like very easy, and even more easier than the D1 Mini Pre Ethernet version, and it's more convenience for us, for home miners, right? You don't need to put out this long ass Ethernet cable and to place the miner in your garage or like, yeah, you know, some other places. As the beginning of the video I mentioned, I guess the noise level and also the temperature will be like similar with the D1 Mini Ethernet version, because they share the same power consumption and the same hash rate. But still, we're gonna test it out, you know, because, you know, as a home miner, you have to be quiet and chill, you know. Okay, so first, let's test the temperature on the surface, and I will just point right here. All right, as you can see, can you guys see? It's like 80 degrees, which is nothing. And I'll point directly at the exhaust vent over here. Still 80. So it's like really nothing, right? If you living in like cold area, you can just use this as like free heat. And I mean, after all, it's completely not noisy. And if you live in like hot regions, you can just open the window and you can barely sense anything. All right, and that's it. And now we're gonna test is the noise level. So right here, I'm gonna just put it like about 1 meter away, and I will stop talking. Can you guys see? So it's like 50 decibels. All right. It is, yes, it is not completely quiet. Of course, you can hear something, but again, it's not big deal. It's just maybe a little bit louder than your like PC, this kind of level. You can compare it with my laptop. So again, quiet, impact, low temperature, efficient, which comes in with profitability, right? So as I'm speaking, and one Dogecoin is worth $0.24, and one LTC is worth around $106, and the average hash rate of this unit is 2.2 gigahash. So let's say we run it for 24 hours at full force, and it will brings you the profit of $2.271. You might say, bro, it's only $2 a day. What are you talking about? Why you even recommend this machine? It's only $2 a day. Get out of here. Wait a minute. Will this $2 make you rich? No. Will this $2 make you a billionaire? Absolutely not. But is it an excellent opportunity to save, to store some Dogecoins? Coins price always change. Just the beginning of this year, one Dogecoin was worth around $0.4. It was two times than right now. So think about it. It's a very opportunity to store, to save some cryptos. And one VolcMiner D1 Mini is $2. What about two VolcMiner D1 Mini? What about 20 VolcMiner D1 Mini? What about 200 VolcMiner D1 Minis? One thing about this miner is the payback period. So the payback period always matters. 120 days, 4 months. 4 months, you have your money back. After that, all you make is pure net profit. You know, a regular Bitcoin miner, it will take at least 2 years like 1 year, but this one is 120 days. So I don't know if you guys are the beginners or like very experienced miners. I mean, if you are sharp enough, you can already sense the opportunity of this little device. And let me know how you guys think about this unit in the comment. And also you can let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. And if you're facing any kind of issues in the world of mining, or you are interested in this unit, or you're interested in any crypto hardwares, any miners, please feel free to visit our official website, jingomining.com. We are a leading global supplier of crypto mining hardwares and related services. You can trust us with confidence.